Now introducing Battle Creek's most famous actor. You might remember him as Carl Fredricksen in Up. It's Floyd Miller.
Hi, I'm really Floyd Miller from Lakeview Ford here in Battle Creek, Michigan. I'm going to do a walk around quick to show you everything about the new 2018 Ford Escape. This is the Blue Lightning, or Lightning Blue to some of you. It's the four-wheel drive system, which means it's front-wheel drive. The computer senses you need the four-wheel drive traction. It goes in and out automatically. No switches to push, no nothing. The computer does it all for you. That makes it that much easier to drive. We have front LED lighting, nice chrome grille, accentuated. We have nice fog lights, really give you good visibility. And we do have a couple foggy days here around Battle Creek, as you're probably aware. We have a keyless-entry code on the outside of the door, so that way you don't have to worry about bringing your keys when you're trying to grab something out in the car outside. You punch in your 5-digit code, you can get right in. The doors open a full 90-degree angle, so you can get in and out very easily for accessibility. As you saw previous, that guy that had the cane, he can be able to get in and out without stepping over things. So you can really get plenty of room inside. It's a nice size. You have two different color interiors, light or dark color interior, your choices of course. And telescoping steering wheel. It drops down and you can really get the seat in the position you want with the power seat, which is a 10-way for the driver on this side, and a 4-way passenger power seat on that. Auto lamp, standard. Cruise control is standard on these, of course. And of course, we have the sync, which is the Microsoft sync system. So you have the Bluetooth on your phone. You're never out of communication with anybody as long as you have the towers that can allow you. We have fog lights up here, this indicator. We have electronic brake for the emergency brake. You don't have to raise up on the plug. Switch, you can pull up on a little lever. It goes down by itself. As you can see, that's very nice ergonomics. You get very comfortable with the seat. With the tilt and telescoping, you can get in the position you want. Without, back in at your convenience. Plenty of cup holders all around. For those of you who like to have multiple cup holders. Power mirrors. Slides up and you can adjust the mirrors. There's the blind spot mirror for multi-lane traffic. So when you're passing on multi-lanes right and left, you can look on both sides. You'll have that available so you don't have to turn your head as much as we were taught years ago. The seats fold down like now. You see you have a 5-passenger. But to drop the seat down, there's a button on the top of the headrest that straightens it out. Lift this up. Move it down, and now you have more access in the back. Cheryl will show you that shortly. And push the button inside the handle here that brings up the tailgate, which has a camera. Standard on all of our Fords has a camera back here. And you, as you can see, it lays down perfectly flat. So if you want to get those objects in, it goes down flat. You do the 40 or 60 split. Spare tires down inside underneath. Full-size wheel for just a regular tire. So it does have room for a full conventional tire if you so wish. You do not have it's a capless fuel system for the entry, so you just put the fuel cap in there, it opens up the valve, and then you close it behind you so you don't have to worry about twisting the gas cap. Nice convenience for you so you don't get your fingers dirty, not that it's ever happened. Again, I want to show you just how much room it has in this. This has 3 different engines you can get with it. The 2.5 inline 4-cylinder for 165 horsepower. This one has the 1.5 EcoBoost with 179. You can go to the 2.0 EcoBoost, which is a twin single turbo, and that one's going to be 210. Those are the engines you can get with this. This one has the 1.5.
We're conveniently located on the Motor Mile at 295 West Dickman Road in Battle Creek, Michigan.